So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And you guys, I'm so sorry, it's been such a while. I haven't done a video. You guys, I've been sick like a dog for the last 3 weeks. My voice is not really fully back yet. I always have laryngitis. I don't know, whenever I get sick I always get laryngitis. But yeah, let's just get into the video, you guys. Today I will be doing Glam wall decor using some stuff that I have at home. I didn't go out yet to get anything, so I just decided to use what I have at home. So I'm using these round plates from the Dollartree. They're the plastic ones. You get 10 in a pack, and I just added some Tacky Glue, or you can use Modpodge, and I just glitterized these. Like about maybe 9 or 10 of them. You will need one of these round mirrors from the Dollar Tree. Of course, you'll be using your glue sticks and glue, and you also need these silver picks. So let me just show you guys. This is the Tacky Glue that I use. I got this one at the Dollar Tree. I've never seen this one before, and I think it's just a clear version of the other one. So that's the one I used. And yeah, we're just about to get ready to get into this video, you guys. And I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. And of course, you guys, I'd love to hear what you like to see, or what you like me to try to create. And yeah, again, enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Have a good one. Bye guys.